Welcome to this video where I'm going to answer a question. And the question is, are there two different kinds of generators? And the answer is yes, there are two. There's a generator, sometimes called a pure generator, and then there's a manifesting generator. Now, both have some common traits, and one is that they're here to work and to do work that lights them up. They're here to be guided by their sacral, which is like trusting your gut, and they're here to respond to something outside themselves or see a sign and respond to it. There is a difference that I see in the stair-step learning curve that's part of the generator and manifesting generator type. And for the pure generator, I see them moving up the stair-step learning curve or the learning curve to mastery at a steady pace. Like if they were going up a mountain, they would stop at all the rest stops and they would just continue up the mountain. So they would just gradually go up. Now, the difference between the generator and what I see as the manifesting generator is that the manifesting generator is here to find efficiencies and shortcuts. And so they may skip up the steps, and what happens is that they might skip up, but sometimes they have to go back and correct something, and then they go back up to the top. So it's not necessarily the same like methodical linear pattern. And what happens though is that both could end up at the top at the very same time. It's just how the two different types get there that is a little bit different. And there's one other difference. The manifesting generators have that little manifestor piece, and they may need to try things on to figure out if it's right for them. I think of this as like throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. So like the best advice that I have for a manifesting generator is to just do something kind of like the manifestor, to try it on. Of course, you're still using your gut response to like say if it's right even to try on for you, but you might not know until you have actually, done the thing to see if it's right for you. And you might do multiple things at a time as a manifesting generator. So just try some things on. So if you want to learn more about human design, you can subscribe to my channel. And there's also going to be a link in the description if you want to join my community. Thank you, thank you, thank you.